Hello from New York! Hey guys, Leia here from Unbox, and I flew for 15 hours to be here for the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So let's find out what makes this Galaxy different from or better than their previous releases. Do take note that we had a very limited time with the device, so the review will have to follow. But for now, these are the 10 new things about the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. First, there are two variants. When it comes to the Note series, it has always been just one. Not this time though. There's a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. Both phones are pretty similar with barely their bezels, except that the Plus version is noticeably bigger with its 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. Don't get me wrong though, the regular version is not small either, but it is smaller at 6.3 inches. Both are HDR10 Plus certified. Number 2, unlike the Note 9, it has a punch hole, but also unlike the S10 series, it's right smack in the middle of the phone. I actually prefer this because I think it draws less attention since everything is symmetrical, but that's just me. Third, the rear cameras are vertically arranged and no longer horizontal. And this leads us to number 4. You get a quad camera setup for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It has a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter with an aperture of f2.2, a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera with an aperture of f1.5 or f2.4, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.1, and a depth vision camera, which is pretty much the same as TOF or time of flight. Here are some sample shots, but do take note that these were taken with a pre-production unit, so we can expect the actual cameras to perform better. As for the selfie shooter, it's at 10 megapixels with an aperture of f2.2. And guess what? It has night mode. The front camera, not just the rear ones, have night mode. I think that's pretty cool, especially for people who love taking selfies. Now, the regular Note 10 has pretty much the same set of shooters, except that it has no depth sensor camera. Fifth are the new video features. I personally enjoyed using live focus video, which is pretty much like what they already have for taking photos in their previous releases, but it can now be used even for videos. There's also AR Doodle, which allows you to draw on yourself or your subject while taking videos. It really just allows you to be more creative, and it's just a lot of fun. Number 6 is it has a 45-watt fast charging feature, which is great because the Plus version has a 4,300 mAh battery and the regular Note has a 3,500 mAh battery. I think that the fastest I've tried on a Samsung device is the 25-watt fast charging feature of the A80, and this is even faster. It should be able to top up the device in just 30 minutes, so that's really great. Number 7, it has no 3.5mm jack. While other flagships have ditched this feature, Samsung kept it until now. Instead, you'll get USB Type-C headphones out of the box. Number 8 may not be a big deal for others, but I'm personally thankful for it. There's no more dedicated Bixby button, which I like because I keep on accidentally pressing on it, which gets kind of annoying. Yes to this change. Ninth is the handwriting to text feature. The Note series has always been great for taking down, well, notes. It's like your high-tech notebook. The thing is, sometimes our handwriting can be difficult for others to understand, and this feature allows you to easily convert it to text either in PDF or Word format. Number 10 is Air Gesture. A note wouldn't be a note without the S Pen, and this feature allows it to act like a magic wand. You can control your phone from afar up to 10 meters away, allowing you to do things with your favorite apps using simple gestures. Really fun stuff. I should also mention that as of making this video, Samsung hasn't disclosed the chipset that they used. All we know is that it's a 7nm octa-core processor, but we'll update you guys as soon as we find out. Locally, the Note 10 will have 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. The Note 10 Plus will have 12 gigs of RAM and also 256 gigs of storage, but it will have a 512 gigs version, but it's going to be a pre-order exclusive. And now for the much-awaited Pricing. The Note 10 is 53,990 pesos. The Note 10 Plus with 256 gigs of storage is 60,990 pesos. And the one with 512 gigs of storage is 72,990 pesos. So what do you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series? Is it something that you would consider buying? Are you impressed? Let us know in the comment section. And that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. This is Leia signing off from New York. Bye!